The greatest medicine to success is to work hard. We are not in the universe of luck. We are in the universe of hard working. Yabona ngabe sinenhlanhla besingeke siye jele. Besingeke sinqamuke inyawo. If we are lucky, besingeke sizalelwe ema-1 roomini. Silale phansi kwamatapeti, phansi kwamatafula. But because we work, we are successful because of work. So akunamfene efunakalayo ezokwenzela imali or itokology. Noma ngaba nekhemi walala angeke udle. Lelo khemi lakho loba useless. You need to work. Work. Talk. Less talk, too much work. That's the philosophy. Whatever you do it to the fullest. You must take your work very seriously. When I talk about work, I'm not talking about 9 to 5 only, systematically so. No. Anything that you are capable to do, make it a work. When you drive and create a robot, that's work. You can be a millionaire from a robot to sentient. It's possible. Ukuthi nje sinok undermine our gift. There is no small gift. There's no gift that is better than the other gift. Gifts are the same. Kuya ngayo ukuthi uyithatha kanjani. Ungaba ipantsula le billionaire like Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson was a billionaire. Tyler Perry is a billionaire. Black Coffee. Yeah. Ungaba i-billionaire HIV spantsula. All star Dickies. Ushaying a mention. As long as you believe in what you do. But abantu banokuba confused because ubheka ibelieve yomunye umuntu. Yabona uma uyilezi esibheka ilife yabanye abantu. Uzosalela emuva ngoba you wasting energy ubheke ilife yabanye abantu. Yabona kufana nomuntu oblome ekhoneni. O expectwa ukubuliswa every day. Sengiyalitshentsha nalo khona ngisangeni ngalelo khona ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kunalo muntu oyihlile lapha u expect ukuthi ngimbulise mangingambulisanga sengiyazibona mina ngiyachoma. Lesinthi iphume TV iyachoma. Ayisabulisani into ihlelele khoneni angeke ube na next. Uhlelela indaba zabantu ukuthi uzwile ubani uthenge ini. Uyibonile iMercedes lendlule la. Bese unika ama number plate amagama. Abo PTY Pretoria Youth. Uyibonile Pretoria Youth indlulile. No, it's not gonna work, my brother. You must have a pride, ma umuntu ube ne backbone. This is what I call a man's pride. Mele ube ne pride ma umuntu. I-pride yokuthi I wanna make it on my own. Ube ne jealous healthy. Umuntu makanento akuphala ngayo. Hamba uyombuza ukuthi what is the secret? How did you make it? He will give you a recipe. Abantu aba successful abekho selfish. They give. But to give is not only I can give you bread at the robot. Ngukunike coin. But there's something I can give you more than a bread. Talk to me. What do you want? We can help you and make it. And I would my success I couldn't esifunayo from Buwe. Give us people who purposely giving. They achieve. Abantu abanikayo abafuna ukunikwa bona. They are born to give. They don't want a return favor. Kona abantu abaningi sibakhile thina life in esibayenze rich. And makuyi return favor. They are nowhere to be found. But people who give, let me give you a secret of people who give. It's transfer. They give for glory. But provide uNkulunkulu. Mina I'm a giver. I give. And manginika umuntu into, angexpect ukuthi mele anginike back. Ngimnika ngoba ngiyathanda. I feel good if I help somebody. and mangibona kwazi ukusizeka, then I find greatness in me ukuthi I'm great. If I can change somebody's life, make him a better person, yes, that's more than being a Messiah. Udlula nabafundisi mawunjalo. Umfundisi uyashumayela nje. Guqa sukuma thandaza. Mina angithi thandaza. Ngikusiza direct, what do you want? How can I help you? Then I help you. So that's how we're gonna grow as the nation. You know, each one teach one and each one teach all. Izandla ziyagezana. Mara kunabantu abanesifo esibi as black people. Isifo sokungabongi. Khona abantu abanga-appreciate life. And they change our mindset. Abantu abanjengathi ukuthi ayazi fuck, I've got nothing to lose. Ngisiza abantu la, in return yimi ngathi kulimala mina. Angisasizi. I'm capable to do that. But because we feel good when we help. It's a great feeling. Ayikho feel endlula leyo. Ungaba imillionaire, ube neikara eziyi-20, ube namadlala ayi-15. But if you don't have joy, le emkhuluma ngayo, of uplifting someone, akukayitholi joy emhlabeni. Mina ngiqedile life yami. I don't wanna lie. Anything can happen from now. I'm done. I've made it. I've made into eziningi elifini. Izinto engizenzile mangizicounter. Ngathi sengiphila extra life manje. So masingaba njalo thina bodakhi, we can change our nation. Isifo esikhulu ileso kungabongi, isifo somona. Yabona umona, it's a serious disease. Spread very fast. And I finish. Cabanga u-experience umona within the family. Uphume ejele. The only thing that you have is that house, that small 4-room yaseSoweto. Bese bakubangisa yona. So bathi uyephi wena? Kumele ebridging.
Sebo Madude.
We need to revive the spirit of togetherness. I'm feeling it the spirit of Ubuntu. Ngoba yazi abanye abantu siya misinterpret izinto. When you talk about Ubuntu, abantu bacabanga ukuthi you must be a saint. Mele umshaye ngempama ngapha ngokunike ngapha weyibo Ubuntu. Angeke ilunge. Ayisebenzi kanjalo. Ubuntu ukuupliftana. Ukungavalelani ngaphandle. But sinamuva liyabukwa ngesizulu. We have a lot of stories to tell, to unfold the untold stories. Bangasibona sesilapha e-TV, hey, yeah, no, lo nenhlanhla uNkulunkulu uyamthanda into zakhe zihamba kahle. Hey. Singahlala la the whole day ngokutshele what happened to have this kind of a product in your country. But what happened in my life to be the person that I am. You will never envy me. You will never wish to be me. Or you will never idol me. Uzobona ukuthi umhlaba kahle kahle. Umhlaba is innocent. Singawusukela umhlaba. Abantu yibi problem. The world is quiet as it is. Abantu yibo who are full of shit. Betrayal, greed, kuvalelwa ngaphandle, ukunyatsiwa, underestimatiwa, underratedwa. Yabona masingalungisa lezo zinto siyisizwe. Sizoba ne-progress khona la sizoya khona. Ithi sivale le chapter namhlanje. Sitetela abanye. I have a special guest